हरि करना।
So let's look into the statistical bias. Statistical bias refers to measurement or sampling errors that are systematic and produced by the measurement or sampling process. An important distinction should be made between errors due to random chance and errors due to bias. Consider the physical process of a gun shooting at a target. It will not hit the absolute center of the target every time or even much at all. An unbiased process will produce error, but it's random and does not tend strongly in any direction that you can see on picture on your screen. This is what the scatter plot of shots from a gun with true aim. With true aim. Okay. So now let's look into the another picture. If you see this picture, this picture is the representation of scatter plot of shots from a gun with biased aim. Biased aim. So the results shown in this picture show a biased process. There is still a random error in both the x and y direction. X and y direction, but there is also a bias. So random error and bias, these are the two important terms you should remember in your mind. One is a random error which comes from unbiased target. Here random error comes with the biased target. So, but there is also a bias. Shots tend to fall in the upper right quadrant. You see that this is called upper right quadrant. So shots tend to fall in the upper right quadrant. So bias comes in different forms and may be observable or invisible. When a result does suggest bias, it's often an indication or indicator that a statistical or machine learning model has been misspecified or an important variable left out. That's what statistical bias conveys to a data scientist or machine learning engineer. So as a data scientist or machine learning engineer, the when this data indicator bias is an indicator, often an indicator that a statistical or machine learning model has been misspecified or an important variable left out from for that data. So is that's what it tells.